Queen Ahhotep, a revered figure in ancient Egyptian history, was born into the royal family during a time of immense strife and uncertainty. Growing up, she was surrounded by the grandeur of the palace but also by the harrowing tales of conflict with the Hyksos, who had taken control of Lower Egypt. As a young princess, Ahhotep was known for her intelligence, bravery, and unyielding spirit. These attributes would later define her role as a queen and a mother. Ahhotep was married to Pharaoh Seqenenre, and together they had several children. Among them were Kamose and Ahmose, two sons who would play crucial roles in Egypt's history. Ahhotep and Seqenenre shared a vision of liberating Egypt from the Hyksos rule, a dream passed down to their children. Tragedy struck when Seqenenre was killed in battle, leaving Ahhotep to guide her children through the turbulent times. Despite the immense loss, she remained a steadfast leader, instilling in her sons the determination to continue the fight against the Hyksos. Kamose, the eldest son, took up the mantle of leadership after his father's death. He waged relentless campaigns against the Hyksos but ultimately fell in battle. The weight of Egypt's hopes then rested on Ahmose, the youngest son. Ahhotep played a pivotal role in advising and supporting Ahmose, as he prepared to fulfill his father's and brother's legacy. With Ahhotep's guidance, Ahmose grew into a formidable leader. His strategic brilliance and unwavering resolve led to a series of decisive victories against the Hyksos. After years of tireless efforts, Ahmose succeeded in driving the Hyksos out of Egypt, reclaiming the lost territories and restoring native rule. The liberation of Egypt was a monumental achievement, and Ahhotep's contributions were widely acknowledged. She was celebrated not only as a queen and mother, but also as a warrior and a symbol of resilience. Ahhotep's steadfast dedication to her family and her country left an indelible mark on Egypt's history, ensuring that her legacy would be remembered for generations to come.